In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Suno to make beats. So in order to make beats on Suno, you first need to head over to suno.com, and then from this page, you can see this Create Your Song option on the actual homepage. You can also head over to this Create option into your left sidebar right here in order to see the whole page itself right there. Now into the creation page, you can input right here some inspiration, some lyrics, instrumental, and legs. For example, right here, let's input a song description for beats about people clapping together to a concert. Now input right here the song description that you want for your beat. Click on create. Then after that, this will actually consume credits. On startup, you will have 600 credits. But once it's done, it will be created, and here is what we have. So just wait for this to actually load, and once it's done, you can actually listen to this particular beat that we have created. So just click on this press icon in order to listen to it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.